What's up guys, in this video I will show you Flipster. It is one of the best trading apps that I use when I am doing my futures trading. Basically everything is very fast. Alright guys, so this is Flipster. Link will be in the description of the video. It is formerly known as AQX. And as you can see guys, there are 140 plus coins that you could use when you do your trades, and the maximum leverage that they have is 50x. Imagine that. And then the trading fee, 0%. What about that? It is available in Android and iPhone as well, so you can go ahead and just scan the QR code that you see on screen and it will take you directly to the download page or your app store or your Google Play. Okay, so moving on guys, they are actually regularly organizing trade competitions and community events with large prize pools and attractive rewards for their users. And with all those sign-up bonuses, you can make your trading even more rewarding. You could earn a lot of free tokens or crypto. Actually, if you're gonna be asking me, what am I looking when it comes to a trading app? So the one that I'm using is basically, of course, it's secure, it's fast, and I mean ultimately fast, because when you are doing speculative trading, time is a lot of essence to use. So let me go ahead and show you the actual app right now. Alright guys, so this is the mobile app that they have, and then as you can see, it's very straightforward. You have the top movers right here up on top. Alright, you have Link, MKR, and a lot of different tokens right there. And then most traded, of course, you have Bitcoin, you have Ethereum, you have XRP, and a lot more. And if you scroll down, these are all the selections that you could go ahead and choose. So say for example, all right, let's just say for example, I am doing Bitcoin. So even if I am at the office or somewhere just hanging out and I would like to, make a trade or do my leverage trading right there and then. So you can go ahead and choose if you want to do a long trade or a short trade, okay? And then enter what funds or how much you're going to be investing on that one, and then select how much leverage you would like that trade to have. So it's very straightforward. If you need support, then they have 24/7 support just by going to assets, going to settings, and then you will see here contact us right there. Then you could just type in the request, or you could click this. It will take you directly to a chat support where you could ask whatever you need in case you need assistance. So that is how easy it is. What I like most about this one is that you could do your trades anywhere you want seamlessly and super fast. All right, so that is how their mobile app looks like. Very straightforward and easy to use. Flipster offers a highly competitive fee structure that benefits the traders on all levels. Low trading fees ensure that you can maximize your profits and then minimize your costs, especially for scalpers, day traders. You make a lot of trades, which means that you want to minimize your transaction fees for each of those trades. That way you could get more out of the wins that you get, right? So leverage also allows you to potentially make more money on your commute to work with Flipster than your day at work. So affordable trading structure, you have transparent fee structure, no hidden fees or any surprise fees, just like any other platforms. You could also refer to their support guide. So you just have to click on this one right here, and then you could click on guide, and it will give you all those FAQs and those things that you basically need to get started with the platform. So let's just say, for example, guys, I would like to know like liquidation, right? And then trade. So when you click on that, it will give you all the information about that. And of course, liquidity is one thing that now when it comes to trading, guys, liquidity plays a crucial role at Flipster. And then they offer high liquidity, which is actually why I make my trades with Flipster. Strong liquidity for altcoins, even actually surpassing the top 3 exchanges in the market for altcoins. Now, high liquidity helps maintain narrow bid-ask spread. So it also lowers the slippage So smaller difference between the expected price of a trade and the executed price. And it also contributes to a more reliable and stable trading environment. So in Flipster, guys, you could open multiple positions on the same token to take advantage of the price movement and then manage your positions easily. You could take control of your portfolio according to the market conditions and then profit in both bullish and bearish markets. So this is where you could take advantage when the price drops. You could earn from that as well. And again, guys, just like what I showed you earlier, in their website, there is a 24/7 support that you could get. So you could click on support there, click on contact us. You could do your request here, or you could click on the bubble at the bottom right, and then you could ask your questions there. So those are the top things that I feel you guys need to know about Flipster. Again, make sure to check them out, do your own research, and let me know what you think about this one. Of course, if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos in the future. That's it for now. I'm out. Peace.
This channel does not promote nor tolerate any illegal activities. This channel is intended to be used and must only be used for informational and/or entertainment purposes only. It is very important to do your own analysis before making any investment based on your own personal circumstances. I am not a financial advisor nor an expert in this field, and I highly encourage that you do your own research or seek a professional for financial advice.